Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Above and Beyond Adventures. Today I want to talk about drones, and what got me hooked. So, my wife got me a Christmas present 3 years ago, 3 years ago. I can't remember exactly, but she got me the ROKU, the RUKO. However you pronounce that. It was the U11. This did get me hooked, as far as I knew that I needed something. It did have 4K video capability, although it did not have any stabilization. The video was very bouncy, so every little movement the drone was making, you could see. It was almost to a sickening level at times. I mean, but overall the video, the capture was okay. I mean, it was okay for a beginner. And she also purchased I can't remember if it was 1 year or 2 year warranty on that. And after, I don't know, 6 months or so, I posted a video of the drone identifying itself as a fish. So the drone now resides in the pond to the right of us, or to the left of you, to the right of me, whatever. Anyway, and I cannot find it out of the pond. I did a lot of research. I got some friends that I work with, that own drones, and that led me to this purchase. What I ended up getting was the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I went with the Pro to give it gives some more features as far as object avoidance and that kind of thing, and I needed it. I'm going to show just how easy it is to get one of these set up to fly. I did get the RC controller. It's the one with the built-in screen. I got you'll see that here shortly. Anyway, further ado, let's get this thing set up to fly. The startup, the setup of that was every day. You had to do a calibration. Every time you turned it on, you'd have to recalibrate, which means you'd have to rotate it around 360 degrees, flat, and then horizontally rotate it. And then you had to set, you had to wait for it to set up to the phone, and it literally took, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes, I guess, in reality, which seems like a long time when you're trying to set it up. It was a collapsible drone, so it all fit inside this nice little case. I'll turn this case around. You'll notice the drone is missing because it's in the pond, but comes with a remote. Come with 2 batteries. Of course, one battery is with the drone in the pond, and everything else you need. As far as distance, I was always afraid to get it, out, very far over my property. So, and I was also afraid that if it got out of range, what it would do. I did not buy the Fly More pack. I did buy an extra, the extended battery. I'll put a link over here. I did buy this case off Amazon. I bought a few things. I bought some floats for it. I ran them for a little while on it. I still have them. I just don't put them on there anymore because I'm not so much worried about it, flying off and going into the pond like the other one did. It's kind of nice. It's got room in here. Right now I've got a battery on the charge. It's in the house, but and I bought a battery charger. I'll also leave a link over here, but it's got 4 banks on it, so it can charge 4 batteries all at the same time. But anyway, so in here I have my controller, and you can see it's got the screen, and the little joysticks are back here in the back. I'll put them on in a minute. I have room for battery, and this one is the extended battery. Here's the drone. I I forget every now and then, it's got the little protective gimbal cover on there. She will fly with the gimbal cover on there. It'll tell you that to remove the gimbal cover, or gimbal protector, or I can't remember how it words it, but it puts it on the screen, but you're not really paying attention to the little text that's going across the top of the screen. But you'll notice the video is kind of weird looking. So yeah. Anyway, not that I'm talking from experience. Yes, I am. So anyway, you just gonna pop that off, throw that in the bag, get the bag out the way. Your rear arms, they just fold straight back, and then your front arms swivel like such. All right, and we're gonna throw our battery in there. All right, I bought the warranty package that Amazon offered. It was very easy. There, you got sensors in the front pointing forward. You got these sensors in the back that they're kind of angled up and back, and then you got sensors on the bottom. So if you're flying sideways, no obstacle avoidance sensors on the sides, and the instructions tell you that. In the instruction or the setup, you can disable any sideways movement if you wanted, but or you can be like me and just kind of, you think you're being careful. But I've had the Mini 3 Pro for a little over a year, and I absolutely love this drone. I am ready, however, to move up to one that's got just the next level up camera, but man, I think that is half of the cost of these drones. So the camera on this drone is very good camera, and I'll show you when we take it up in a little bit. Let's get this drone ready to fly. All right, so what I'm going to do first is turn the drone on, and to do that, push it down once, let off, and then push it again and hold it until all the lights light up. So you're going to 1, 2. And then we're going to put it out here where we want it. And then we are going to turn that on. And we're going to take the joysticks out to the back and screw them in there. But if you lose one of these, you can buy replacements. You can get prettier ones, whatever you want to do. You can upgrade them. But so right now, I don't know if you can see the screen or not. All we got to do is wait till we get 12 satellites, which we got 23 right now. So she's ready to fly. And to start up the propellers, you're gonna push this one this way and this one at an angle this way. And right now she is ready. We're gonna start recording. So I'm not sure what y'all can see. I'm going to steer it forward, and hopefully you can tell it should try to go straight into the shed. I'm gonna go slow because I don't like to do this anyway. And you see, I'm not telling it to go sideways. All right, is this perfect technology? No, but it's pretty good. So let's come back over here to more where I'm gonna land. Now, it's gonna go straight up. So you can see I'm at 950 foot. I took a picture. Now we're gonna come down. All right, so now stay at 600 feet. All right, so now we're at 600 feet. I'm gonna take a picture. Now let's come down to 350 feet. All right, we're at 350 feet.
Check out this monster bass. This bass had jumped out of the water 3 times before I got over there. As soon as I got there, he stopped jumping. I hope you enjoyed my video as much as I love the DJI drone.